Managing Bill4Time expense tracking is a crucial aspect of financial management for businesses and individuals. To get started, first log into your Bill4Time account and navigate to the Expenses section. Here you can view, create, and manage all your expenses in one place. The first step is to create a new expense by clicking on the New Expense button. Enter the date, description, and amount of the expense, and assign it to the relevant project or client. You can also add receipts and notes to the expense for future reference. To categorize expenses, use the Category drop-down menu to select the relevant category, such as travel or equipment. This helps in generating accurate reports and invoices. Bill4Time also allows you to set up expense rules to automate the categorization process. To track mileage expenses, use the Mileage Tracker feature. Simply enter the starting and ending points, and the system will calculate the mileage expense based on the standard mileage rate. You can also upload receipts for fuel, tolls, and parking to support your mileage expenses. To manage receipts, use the Receipt Manager feature to upload and organize receipts for all your expenses. This helps in keeping track of expenses and providing supporting documentation for audits and tax purposes. To generate expense reports, navigate to the Reports section and select the Expense Report option. Choose the date range, project, and client to generate a detailed report of all expenses. You can also export the report to Excel or PDF for further analysis. Best practices for managing Bill4Time expense tracking include regularly reviewing and approving expenses, setting up automatic reminders for recurring expenses, and using the mobile app to track expenses on the go. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your expenses and streamline your financial management process using Bill4Time.